So this program is basically, okay, the user has to give, okay, the user has to give letter, okay, letters, something like a plus, a minus, b plus, okay, all these things the user has to give. Okay. So the user will be supplying these letters as the input. Okay, the user will be supplying these letters as the input, and your program should display these grade points as the output. Okay, at a particular university, letter grades are mapped to grade points. These are letter grades, grade points. Okay, in the following manner, write a program that begins by reading a letter grade from the user. Okay, so since it is from user, I'll be using input method. We know the input method, basically the input method, it reads the input as string. Okay, it reads the input as string. Then your program should compute and display the equivalent number of grade points. Okay, this is what I said. Suppose, okay, suppose if the user is entering a letter other than this what is listed here, you have to say that, okay, it's a invalid letter grade. This is you have to display. Okay, from a plus, a minus, b plus, b minus, c plus, c minus, d plus, d, f. Other than these letters, if he is giving any other thing, say for example z, if he is giving, then your program has to say, please enter the valid letter grade, something like that. Okay, you just notice a plus and a, they are mapped to the same grade 4.0. Okay, but others are different. F grade, f is mapped to 0. Okay, so we'll write the code. I'll go for spider. See, let me complete this program. Okay, I will, yeah. Okay, so this program is Python code for, okay, letter grade to grade points. Okay, Python code for letter grade to grade points. Okay, so first we need to get the input. So let me use variable name letter. Okay, letter input, enter the letter grade. Okay, enter the letter grade. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, so Python code for letter grade to grade points. So first letter input, enter the letter grade. Okay, now I'm just using first case, if letter double equal to, okay, a plus. I said for both a plus and a, the grade point is 4.0. So what you can do, you can write two times if, then elif also you can use, or alternatively, other than conditional operator, I am also using logical operator or. Logical operator or. Okay, letter double equal to a. So we need to terminate with colon. Okay, grade point, let me call grade point gp, it's 4.0. See, as per your convenience, you can develop the code. Okay, here itself you can print your grade is 4.0, like that you can do. Okay, I don't want to print here. Finally, I'm going to give one print, otherwise there will be many prints. I want to give only one print statement, that also at the end. Okay, here what is this or? We know the logic of or. Either this is true or this is true, this will be executed. No need of both the conditions true. If it is and, then it should be both should be true. So either the letter is A plus or the letter is A, the grade point is 4. Okay. Then if next condition, letter double equal to A minus. Okay. Colon grade point is equal to A minus, I think 3.7. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm just copying. Let me edit. Okay. Then letter, if it is B plus, okay, if it is B plus 3.3 is the grade point. Again if it is B, grade point is 3.0. If it is B minus, grade point is 2.7. If it is C plus, okay, if it is C plus, grade point is 2.3. Okay, 2.3. See, directly from the table we are just editing. Okay, we need to ensure that the syntax, indentation, everything is correct. C plus, then C. Okay, if letter is equal to C, it's 2.0. Okay, then letter is equal to C minus, then it is 1.7. Okay, letter is equal to D plus, it's 1.3. If the letter is equal to D, then 1.0. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, one more also we can go. If letter is equal to F, okay, the grade point is 0. So let me quickly verify. Still I have to give else statement. Okay, let me quickly verify. A plus and A, it is 4.0. A minus, it is 3.7. B plus, it's 3.3. B, it is 3.0. B minus 2.7. C plus 2.3. C 2.0. C minus 1.7. D plus 1. D plus 1.3. D, it is 1.0. F, it is 0. Okay. See, I need to consider the invalid case also. So what I'm doing, how I am handling invalid case. Okay. I'm just giving anything. If you want, what I'm doing, I'm just giving some empty string. Just empty string. So here one, multiple alternatives. If, then else. Okay. Now I want to print. See, as I said earlier, if you don't like this, within, okay, or below each if you can give the print statement. Print directly, you can print your grade is 4.0, your grade, that is also okay. I don't want so many prints. So now, other than this if multiple alternative, I'm just going for a double alternative case. Very simple. If grade point, when this if is over, I have these grade points. Suppose something is entered wrongly, that is assigned to empty string. Okay, that is assigned to empty string. I am just checking whether GP double equal to empty string. If it is empty string, I am going to print you have entered an invalid letter grade. Okay, you have entered an invalid letter grade. Otherwise, other than this double quotes, whatever the value, okay, whatever the value that I want to print as it is, print your grade point is, okay, your grade point is GB. Okay, see, I want to handle the erroneous case also. That error case is people may enter a invalid grade which is not there in the list. Okay, so for them you have to instruct, your program has to instruct that you have entered a invalid letter grade. For all the people, they have some GP. Okay, those GPs will be printed. So let us execute the code and check whether it is working or not. Okay, I'm executing. Let me go for I have to test my code. I have to go for all possible cases. For example, I'm giving A plus. See, it is 4.0. I'm giving A minus. A minus is 3.7. A is also 4. We know C is 2.0. Let me check C. Yeah, C is 2.0. Let me check D plus. D plus 1.3. We know F is 0. Yeah, it is giving F equal to 0. Suppose if I enter some letter Z. See, you have entered an invalid letter grade. Let me check with some other. Okay, I have entered T. It's invalid. You can also accommodate one more one more case in your program. But anyway, we are going to discuss that in the coming lectures. Say A plus. There will be some students, some people, they won't follow the instructions clearly. So see, instead of A plus, capital A plus, they will enter, okay, small a plus, and they say that I have entered the valid grade, but your program is not displaying. Okay, even though they know that the grades, whatever as per the question, they are in capital letters. Okay, they won't understand. Okay, so what we can do, whether the student enters valid grades, valid letter grades in a small letter or capital letter, okay, you can make your program to handle. Okay, actually A plus means it is supposed to display 4.0, but it is saying enter a valid grade. How I will be addressing this issue means, I'm just using letter equal to letter dot upper. Okay, see what I'm doing. Before that, let me give some example. X is equal to, okay, Python, some string. What I'm doing, I'm just converting this string. Okay, I'm just converting this string to all uppercase letters. So if I do this, letter equal to letter dot upper, even though a valid grade is entered in small letter, the program will consider that as capital letter. Let us try that. I'm just giving A plus in small letter. It is giving, it's 4.0. I'm just giving B in small letter. It is taking 3.0. Yes. Okay. Now the code is working. Okay.